welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. We are here with another video for you guys that I'm of course excited about. So today, as you probably know from the title, we are going to check out these ORS Curls Unleashed. So I am super excited. I'm going to be doing a wash and go with this. I have two colors. I have Sangria and the golden bars, and today I'm going to do my wash and go with my Eco Styler gel. I really liked this super olive oil Eco Styler gel, so I'm going to be using that along with the Color Blast. So a few things to know about this Color Blast. You do know, like, this is a wax. It's a temporary paint wax. It does wash out easily with one application. The directions on this says that it is a moisturizing beeswax, and of course it's temporary. Directions: wear gloves during application. I do have some gloves here. Take adequate amount of color wax in your hand and use your fingertips. Apply the product to your hair and style as desired. So I've seen some things on their page, like on their Instagram page, about applying it to wet hair. I did try to apply it to dry hair and it worked just fine. So I'm doing it on wet hair today. Right now my hair, it has leave-in conditioner. I told y'all I really like this, so I used this TGIN Rose Water leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna top that with some castor oil. Okay guys, so we're back. I have it sectioned off like I wanted, and I applied the oil. So this is the part, guys, that we're just gonna figure this out together. I think I'm gonna go section by section and just pull out strands because, yeah. So I'm gonna split this in half and just pull some strands from like each section. So I'm going to start off with like my smallest area of a wash and go, and I'm going to do gel first, and then I'm going to do the color wax. Maybe it'll be easier because I'll have individual strands. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. So apply some water. This is going to be weird doing this with gloves on. I never do my wash and goes with gloves on. I'm not able to feel it as well. Starting on the ends, working our way up. This is probably helpful because this gel does not give you a lot of slip. Like, your curls almost freeze instantly. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing this with these gloves on. So maybe I'll do like every other curl since it's clumped. I just want nice streaks. Looks like I'm gonna be shingling. Looks like I'm gonna be shingling. So here we go. All right, so from these, I'm gonna do like a couple here. So I am going to do the red first. So I got about this much of the red. This is gonna take forever. Let's see. Ooh, you see that color, guys? Ooh. I'm a little excited. And look at how it's like smoothing into my hair. And it's getting defined. Like, it's further defining my hair. As if I needed that. I'm a little excited. This looks good. I think I might have to take these gloves off, y'all, because I can't figure it out. So we got that. So I'm gonna try this again and try to show you up close what it looks like. So this is another section. I took off those gloves because, yeah, I couldn't do it. So I'm gonna wet it. This is hot water, of course, warm hot water. I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel. All right, so we got that all on, all topped. And here is going nicely, separating out. Great, okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it separate out, kind of like this. And I'm gonna pick every other one. So I got 3. Maybe not. I'll do 2 red and 2 gold. Okay, let's see if you guys can see this. So I got the 2 that I'm gonna do red, and I'm gonna just put enough red. So one thing that I remember from like other people's reviews is it always looked like they weren't putting enough on there. Like, and then once it dried, it really looked like they didn't have enough. So I want to make sure I'm getting enough on here. Maybe I need to open it up and put it on, like smooth it in. Can you guys see this? You can see it on my hands. You could kind of see it. But this is working really well on top of the gel. Let me just say, like, it's very smooth gliding on. It's not clumps or anything. So I'm just gonna keep applying enough on top of it, and I'm gonna let it go. This is gonna be so much fun once it's dry, guys. I'm super excited. I am still gonna sit under the dryer too. It's not super bright, honestly, but it's very pigmented. Like, it's like a deep burgundy or something. And then I'm gonna grab these 2. Okay. And I'm gonna do gold. This is literally gonna take forever. Ooh-wee. All right. I'm gonna make sure that I get it on my ends, especially because I feel like I want my ends to pop. There you go. You can see that now. Yes, 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 you can. You see that light reflecting off of it? I'm excited. And this is what we have, people. All right, I'm gonna do some more on this section and try to figure this out. Okay, guys, so I finally finished the first section. As you can see, the definition is like to a whole nother level, but we already know that gel pops. So I'm gonna turn around so that you guys can see kind of how mixed the colors. Hopefully you can see this. Let's see. Okay, guys, so I am finally finished with the back. It just took forever. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see it. I don't know. I still haven't decided if I'm gonna keep the gold and the red, but let me turn around. Front now, and I'm just going to show you guys this process again, and you can see how much I've used too. Look, not bad, not bad, just a little dent. It's very smooth. I love that it's not sticky, it's not drying. Feels very smooth, like a cream. So I think what I'm going to try to do is, for some of these back pieces, I'm going to try to mix the red and the gold together. I'm going to do gold tips, mostly red, and then gold tips. So I'm going to separate this out for my separation. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna wet my root a little bit more just because I feel like my roots are really getting dry. Okay, so I got the gel on there. I'm gonna do just a tad bit more gel, especially at the root area. And now I'm gonna rake my fingers through here and use my raking to separate out my hair. Well, I don't be wanting just 3 separations, so I try to get at least like 4, and then from the 4 go, there we go, 4 sections. There we go, that's really good. So from here I choose every other one. So I may choose this one on top, but in reality that's like 2. So I'm gonna choose that, and then I'll choose this one, and then I'll choose this bottom one. And that's how I'm making my streaks. So I'm going to start off with a red, and then I'll go over just the tips of it with the gold. Okay, so you see I got enough color on there. Just want to make sure it's nice and bright. Do just a tad bit more. You see that? It's nice and bright. And now I'm going to add the gold to like this much. The key is that I actually remember and only added up this far. So, okay. So I'm going to do this gold on the tip. Ooh. That actually does show up over it too. I like that. That kind of looks like a rose gold. Okay, and I'm just gonna like blend it in that way. There we go. And we have our red with the gold tip. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Go in with the red. I wipe my hands off because, yeah. Guys, I am finally finished. This is what we have. So I really like that I changed it in the front. I did red and then I did gold tips. The red really does lighten up all of my hair, and then the gold just really gives it that extra little pop. So you can see what it's looking like. This is still wet, but everything else is pretty much dried. Like, this has taken me quite a while. So I'm gonna turn around one more time for you guys to see what it looks like in the back. So you can see it's so pretty, guys. I love it. I'm so happy that I changed it up a little bit so you can see in between here what the color is looking like, and you know what it's looking like right here, all in between there. I just really wanted to make sure that you can see it. So I did go back a little bit once I finished and just kind of like got some of my places where it's like a lot of black. I just wanted to break it up a little bit. But overall, guys, I really like it. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? Hey guys, today is Monday. I did my wash and go on Friday night. So technically this is day 3 here. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And I just wanted to show y'all this color still popping. My wash and go is definitely bigger. It's pretty cool. I really like this hairpin wax. Literally, there's no transfer. I'm not getting any flakes anything that is like showing that it's damaging. Like the color is still there. If anything, I think the red has gotten a little darker from when I started. But besides that, I'm loving it. You guys will definitely be seeing this again. Maybe I'll try it, like having more of it in the future, because I literally love it. What you mean? New color, no damage. What? I think this is it for the video. This is third day here, so I may submit some more pictures by the end of the week when I'm ready to wash it. But overall, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. Let me know down below if you plan to try any of this temporary hair paint wax. Okay? Alrighty guys. Deuces.